Leo and Jessie Hollowell renounced family, friends, and the comforts of home. They traveled to a distant land to serve the people along the Amazon River. Throughout their 30 years of work, it's estimated that 250,000 people were served. And their legacy lives on. For 85 years, the Seventh-day Adventist Church has sponsored workers to operate Lucero boats in the Amazon River to bring hope, health, and healing to the people. The Amazon River system includes an estimated 38,000 miles of waterways and passages. When Leo and Jessie first arrived here, they found poverty, superstition, and sickness along the banks. So in 1931, Leo designed and built a boat that he named Lucero, or the Light Bearer. This was an efficient way for them to begin a medical missionary program in the Amazon region. The Lucero boat today is still the most efficient way for serving the people. Through the years, many Lucero boats have come and gone, transporting medical missionaries and supplies. The fleet is now expanded to Luceros 26 and 27, 2 launches in the original size with sleeping rooms for doctors to stay overnight. There are also 2 smaller and faster boats used during emergency situations. They are called Jessie and Lucero Express. Currently, Adventist Development and Relief Agency, or ADRA, oversees the boats and teams of volunteers who come to offer free health treatments, dentistry, and education.
The
project continues. Still today there are needs here. You will find a lot of needy people and a lot of volunteers who come away from the city to find happiness and joy in serving these remote communities. They do their best. They want to make a difference and change the lives of people. So through this project, through the Lucero boats, health comes to the community. It comes to their front door. We come with qualified doctors and nurses, and after a visit, we can see the progress, the development, the satisfaction where this assistance is most needed. So it's a joy for me to see a project that is 85 years old continuing on. It's our desire to see more boats, reaching more communities so this project can transform and assist even more people.
The goodwill of the people involved is remarkable. Highly trained health professionals come on a regular basis, offering their time, expertise, and love. They also bring tools, medicine, and a Christ-like attitude that is remembered well after they leave. Leo and Jessie Hollowell made quite an impact in the Amazon jungle. A small medical clinic they established is today's largest Seventh-day Adventist hospital in the country of Brazil. There are other Adventist-owned and operated hospitals in the region, schools, and universities. Their dedicated work stretch from Manaus to Belém, approximately 2,000 miles away. But it's only in heaven that we'll know the true extent of their boat ministry. Thank you for your prayerful support of mission.